is me and my chipboard again. So basically how to stop the surf skate when you are moving. There's many ways, you can see. Front slide, back slide, use a handbrake, and use your feet to glide the floor to stop it. But the most useful way of stopping a board is this. So why do I recommend this for lots of beginners? Basically, by doing this, you will get used to the body control when the board throws you to the front. Very important, because why? Because when you go to the ball, when you go faster and faster, sometimes it's our expectation that you need to stop immediately. And by gaining the experience of the change of speed and also the inertias, handling the inertias when you're moving forward, you will actually learn. Your body will learn as well, even when you fall backward. So this is the most dangerous part. You walk, if it stops you, bring forward, or you step too much, you bring backwards. Both this one is not. Normally when it happens on an unexpected situation, it's very hard to handle, but your body will have a response to it. So if you start this way on breaking the board, when you get used to it, you will be very confident on handling the change of the speed. Then you talk about slide, because slide, it takes some time for you to get used to breaking with the board. This is from my experience. How you do that, very simple. It is moving. The force is going this way. You put your weight all in front, then the board will stop. When the board stops, your body will be thrown because of inertia. So basically it stops, then you just walk out. Sometimes it's very fast. When you move your body forward, the board stops. Then your inertia is too great and you can't stop, you have to roll. Do a demonstration.